Hello guys and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn continuous perfect future tense, that is tense number 12. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that we get supported and you don't miss any important update. Uh, those who are new to our channel, I would also suggest them to start learning from the very first lecture so that they don't miss anything and they can learn effective English skills in a step-by-step manner. So let's come back to our tense of today's lecture, continuous perfect future tense, and positive formula is subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object, and in negative it is subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. So far since and for is concerned, since is used as usual, same as simple present and simple past to indicate point of time, but here it is a small twist over here, that for is not used in future tenses because duration is not used primarily in future tenses. So that's the thing that we need to keep in mind while writing and practicing the sentences of this particular tense, continuous perfect future tense. Let's move on to the next screen, and I'm going to give you 10 practice sentences, and these sentences are in correlation and cohesive so that you can have a better understanding and you can generate n number of sentences like this. I will have been making sentences myself since today. I will not or won't have been copying sentences ever. So here, since today is a point of time and therefore since has been used, and in future, as we discussed earlier, that for is not used at all in any future tense and also in this tense. Second practice sentence, my brother will have been speaking English since tomorrow. My brother won't have been speaking Hindi since tomorrow. We don't need to practice Hindi because we all know it very well. So what we need to speak and practice is English. So from tomorrow, since tomorrow over here, since tomorrow my brother will have been speaking English, right? Third sentence, sir will have been launching a new course since 2025. Sir won't have been charging any fees since 2025. He will have been improving the quality of audio since April 2025, and he will not have been improving the quality of audio since today. So the change that is going to happen is not going to happen immediately, and therefore that's why the negative sentence has not been written because of lack of space over here. So it's not a rocket science, it's not a big deal. We need to be put not after will. So he will not have been, or the abbreviated form in the third sentence we can see he won't have been improving the quality of audio since April 2025. Fifth sentence, I will have been learning the new course since 1st February, since 1st March, it can be anything. So I will not have been wasting my time since 1st. So I have decided to start learning a new course from the first date itself of the next month. And sixth practice sentence, the popularity will have been increasing since today. The popularity won't have been decreasing ever, right? So the popularity of our channel will continue to grow. Seventh sentence, the youngsters will have been learning good English since the first day. Eighth sentence, we will have been revising the lectures since morning. We won't have been sitting idle since morning, right? So we will be doing something good. We will be adding something valuable in our life, in our free time, and we won't be sitting idle. Sir will have been answering our questions since 8 a.m. Sir won't have been ignoring our questions ever. All learners will have been joining the course since first day in vacation. So here it is about the learners that they, as soon as they get a vacation, they will start learning on our channel since first day, right? So I hope guys these cohesive sentences and correlated sentences will guide you properly, and don't forget to like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please share it to your friends and family so that they can also learn good English skills, grammar skills particularly, step by step in an easy manner. So we will see you in the next lecture with more fruitful information. Until then, thank you very much for joining us today. Goodbye.